Hi, my name is Vishal and today is the day I attempt to make a video about gay shaming, homophobia and misogyny without talking about my own sexuality. I don't know how that's going to work out. When I was younger, I used to feel really bad about not being physically strong, about not being able to fit into the popular imagination of a male person. But then adulthood happened and I got over it. Just like how I got over Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and all the same sounding sad Arijit songs and all the career guidance given to me by my failed relatives. I got over them all. Thank you. So what kind of guys do they term as unmanly? It could be someone who doesn't have a thick, sexy voice, someone who doesn't have a rough personality, someone who might not be very hairy or muscular or tall. Guys like, आज हम बात करेंगे 3 चीजें जो नामर्द मर्दों को सुनना पड़ता है. 3 things that unmanly guys need to hear from the other more normal people, especially in their growing up days. Number 1, being called a girl. This is the most basic form of misogyny, sasta and tikao, because it not only attacks that guy who's being called a girl, it also attacks the whole of womankind. एक तीर से 2 निशान, इसी को बोलते हैं. समझ में आया कि नहीं? Hi Vishal.
Hi. Why do you talk like a girl? तुम्हें सवाल रिश्ता केले कोठा पटा? So you need to be more like a man. Rough, strong, dude होगा लगे dude. तुम्हारा dude coat. How does it matter to you? आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है इससे? It matters. Yeah? How? I want you to have a good future.
Oh, good future. तुम्हारे जैसे good future. You're tall, manly, hairy. अच्छा, तुमको निकाल दिया था ना कि डिग्री के फाइनल एग्जाम में? तुमने क्वेश्चन पेपर कहीं से वेरी ब्राइट फ्यूचर यार. Number 2, are you gay? Many people have blatantly asked me about my sexuality and it seems like it's an information that's essential for the existence of humankind. So, here you go. My sexuality is none of your business. Hello friends. मेरी sexuality जान लो friends. बहुत अच्छे से करता हूँ sex.
Vishal, did you watch football yesterday?
No, not really. I'm not into football.
Isram, are you a gay? Are you a stupid? Are you a idiot? But I am genuinely asking question.
Are you my friend? Are you my close friend? No, you're not my close friend. So I'm not comfortable talking to you about my sex life. So don't talk about it. Thank you. First of all, I just met you. Either you're being a homophobe or you're hitting on me. If you're being a homophobe, it's just not nice. But if you're hitting on me, I'm totally fine with that. Number 3, being called a hijra. Honestly, I don't even find it offensive, but many people use the word hijra as an insult. Hey, can you tell me what this is?
Can you tell me what this is?
Chakka kai ka. Excuse me, what is that? क्योंकि तू छक्का है, हिजड़े कहीं के. अरे वाह, हिजड़े का थप्पड़ भी खाओगे? जमीन आसमान एक हो जाएंगे तुम्हारे. So even if I'm not offended by the word itself, I have to be offended by the act of using that word as an insult. And I'm not talking about strangers or kids in school. I'm talking about adults who are related to me, who would casually call me names and I would feel bad about myself. Only because even for me, these words meant something inferior or negative. And that's what we were all taught. But we are very fortunate to be living in an age where we are allowed to be expressive, inclusive, progressive, and impressive. And for a change these days, it's actually become cool to not be a homophobe. But don't just look cool, be cool, alright? So, was I successful in sending out this message without talking about my own sexuality? Think whatever you want, I don't care. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you see anyone in your school, in your college, or in your workplace, or even on social media being gay shamed, irrespective of their sexuality, then go stand up for them. And let me know in the comments down below if you yourself have faced gay shaming in any form, from anywhere. let's start this healthy conversation. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you know when I upload. Alright? Okay, now, this is me Vishal signing off from Shugli TV. Life is a journey.